friends, welcome to the second module of MTA window development. Before we go to second module, we get basic idea which topic has been taken in previous module. In this previous module, we get all idea of types of application like WFA, WPA, Windows Services and application and Win32 API. How they work. Now we start with our second module. In this module we are going to implement the user interface design. Now we start with lesson overview. There is mainly two parts. First one is component of GUI and the characteristic of good GUI. First, we are going to clear out the idea of user interface. What is the exact use of user interface? A GUI is most important part of application. It performs a main role to display information to user and gets input from user. A GUI use graphical element like mouse. GUI is usually include menu, buttons, icon and text boxes to communicate with user. Now we are going to the another topic, common components of GUI. A GUI is basically use window form application and show visual surface that contains graphical element. A maximum number of developer has refers to window forms. A menu provide maximum list of action to perform a desired task. Mostly many applications provide menu bar to quick access commonly used features. And other common components are like button, text boxes, list box and labels. Some applications are use a toolbar to access to specific command or option. Now please collect the following review question and answer it. What are the elements of good UI? Basically it is very easy to give answer. It's like a menu bar, toolbar and buttons is make good UI. And another one question is like, what makes an application easy to user friendly? It answer are like very easy and more easily. Okay, basically application which is very easily user friendly built. This application has been made very easy. Okay, now we move to another topic, elements of good user interface. In this slide we get the idea of element which is used for good UI designing. There is 4 ways to build good user interface. First one is sensitive and constant design. Second is effective uses of menus and toolbar. Third one is fully helpful system and fourth one is easy to navigate. Now get the brief idea of sensitive and constant design. In this design process, user can easily understand the how to use application. This process is help user to become familiar to application. Like toolbar, controls are labeled properly. and their font should be easily readable, and similar controls are properly placed in application. Now we move to another topic, menus and toolbar. Basically, menus and toolbar are perform most important role to create easy access to the commands in application. If we use menu bar in our application, it should be placed in properly accessible place and easy to access. For example, file menu is always keep upper left side in application. A toolbar should be group related command and provide access to most frequently used features of application. And another part of good GUI is provide help to user. Help, it is a powerful implementation of application. It provide assistance to user regarding to application, how to use and how to apply. In help, there is properly mentioned functions of application. The help should be written in content of sensitive words. Always use tooltips to identify control. Like when we move our cursor on tools, it should be display the pop-up and show use of the tool. And another part of GUI component is easy to navigate. Easy to navigate, in this function provide the various way to navigate in application function, like following modes of navigation: mouse, tab key, arrow key, keyboard shortcuts. In this module we complete out our implementation of user interface. Now I have some review question. Please provide answer of following questions. What are the good elements of good user interface? And another is, what makes an application user friendly? Okay, now in another module we are get information regarding creating Windows based application by using Visual Studio. Thank you.